Let's continue with the MCQ questions. The previous question was, which of the following is a virus attack? And virus attacks falls on the syllabus of network security and type of computer security and type of security attacks. And the type there are four different types of computer security. They are application security. Second one is information security. Third one is network security, and fourth one is endpoint security. Fifth one is internet security. So I have already read the concepts of information security and application security. Now I'm going to start the network security. Network security, as the name suggests, is another time type of computer security that protects your computer system from authorized intruders access to your computer networks. It is similar to the information security in a way that it protects the integrity, availability, and confidentiality of computer network. Network security is designed in a way with a lot of configuration that performs the best abilities. It includes security, safety of both software and hardware. There are various network security method and component that helps computer networks to be safe and secure. These are stated as follows: application security, antivirus software, behavioral analysis, firewall, email security, web security, wireless security, network access control, network segmentation, and virtual private network. Endpoint security, any error that is committed by human can easily exploited by the hacker or criminals. End user are facing a huge risk in any organization. End users become the victims of cyber crimes. Most of their lack of knowledge and about IT protection and policies, because they lack awareness, and they can unknowingly give access to the computer system to the cyber criminals. So it is important to understand the comprehensive security policy and procedure that you could not fall into trap of cybersecurity and alert awareness training programs will be embraced through the computer internet security. Internet security is the most recent type of computer security that has been raised beyond the period of boom period in recent times. In method, it it cared for a set of rules and actions to prevent any unauthorized use or harm to a computer system that are directly connected to the internet. Internet security is focused on the directly connected with the internet systems that directly connected to the internet, whereas network security is concerned with the computer networks such as local area network, wide area network, and MAN and WAN. Uh, it also follows the CIA triad of the computer network, which includes C refers to confidentiality, I refers to integrity, and A refers to as availability. The network security, and it refers to both hardware and software, whereas internet security, I guess, mainly focused on software. Okay. Furthermore, it is newest bridge in computer security that deals with the registration. Uh, Hardware and software of the computer system as well. It is not only focused on software. Computer security threats. Computer security threats. I guess this topic lies in types of security attacks. Computer security threats, computer attacks, security attacks, security threats. Major types of computer security threats. Viruses. Computer virus manufacture computer and store. So another user multiply it. Computer worm. Virus can replicate, but worms cannot replicating itself. Just like computer, it does not need human interaction to corrupt one computer to can corrupt the files of the computer system and can use all the storage space and hard disks by continuously replicating itself. It allows it also slows down the speed of computer system and causes the malfunction. What is the differences between then computer virus and computer worm? It can uh, replicate itself, and second is infect files and document. It can also corrupt files in computer systems, whereas it is a similarity. But I am seeking for a difference. Sensitive information as well. It is sensitive information as well. Mm. Also possesses the extra feature of modifying and deleting the existing files in the computer system. Access to other malicious activities in a program. Capable of stealing information. Phishing. Phishing is cybercrime that is mainly exists in the form of text message, email, telecommunication, and other form of communication to the user. Phishing. False legitimacy is the key for the phishing. Try to gain personal information. In hackers try to gain personal information with false legitimacy, showing the false legitimacy. Bootnet. This is first time I have heard this. The presence and functioning of bootnet are also similar to that of computer virus in the way that hacker installs it in a computer system of user without its knowledge. It can replicate itself and transfer from one computer system to another. Replicate itself and transfer from one computer system to another. Another and infected computers are also called zombie computers. The zombie computers are not safe for storing any sensitive information on data because they can be corrupted, and the infected computer which which has turned out to be botnet now prefer malicious activities with large escalated denial of service. Botnet is like zombie computers. It can replicate itself to another computer system, and the the system that is already in. So it is also known as zombie computers, and it storing are or because they are corrupted and deleted. They can be corrupted and deleted. Rootkit. Rootkit software is unauthorized access to someone else's computer system without their bootnet and rootkit. Rootkit. That's their permission. It can restricted areas can also mask its presence, and a user will not know about its existence. Since the hacker user should change the system configuration so that they can easily execute and go through the remote computer. A rootkit can unauthorize access to someone. And keylogger. Keylogger is the software that is designed especially for monitoring, tracking, and recording keyboard strokes. Keylogger keyboard strokes monitor the keyboard strokes that without being aware of the fact that system has been corrupted. Keylogger is also a keystroke logger, and it generally yeah. Okay, I will read after this and face the question. What is which of the following is and are the virus attacks? I don't know any of these here. Citrix breach, WannaCry. I guess WannaCry is in virus attack. Citrix breach, more than one of the above. So Citrix was hit by hackers that potentially exposed large amount of customer data. WannaCry ransomware attacks was made in 2017 worldwide. A ransomware attack. Citrix was customer data. The is form of encrypting malware that is first discovered in 19. Encrypting malware. It it encrypts the data. Right? WannaCry ransom are affected over two lakh victims and more than 3 lakh computer infected. Bad Rabbit is similar to pattern to WannaCry and network security question number 3. Which of the following is not the valid category of computer virus? Macroviruses. I don't know what it means, but interrupts. Memory resident viruses. I think interrupts is not the valid category of computer viruses. Macrovirus. I don't think I've never heard of this macrovirus. Computer memory resident virus. I have heard this one before. I guess two is the correct answer. Okay, good. Macrovirus is the virus that is written in macro language, programming language. intrusion prevention system, NGA gap benefit next gen antivirus, content destruction and reconstruction. Macrovirus is a virus that is written in macro language. Language is embedded in certain software application. Word processor. It is a malicious code that installs in memory then infects the program. It's not an antivirus software. This is an antivirus software. This is not an antivirus software. iOS. In terms of computers, The set of the ways in adversary can enter a system can potentially damage is called the set of ways in which adversary can enter a system and potentially cause a damage. Attack signature, attack pattern. Set of ways, I think 3 is the correct answer. Attack service, which has number of possible points. Attack or attack vector where can unauthorized user can access a system and extract data. Principles of cryptography. Surface, it is a possible points or attack vector where another can access the extract data. The smaller the surface, attack surface, easier it is to protect. Organization must consider surface to identify potential threat quickly. Attack surface. Our dreams becomes difficult as they expand their digital footprint and embrace new technology. The attack surface is placed between two categories, the digital and physical. In computing, is the security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing traffic based on predetermined security rules. Firewall, I guess firewall. Yes, correct answer is firewall is compressed security system controls the flow of data from one computer network to another and they mainly intended to protect an individual computer system or a network from being accessed by intruder, especially via internet. Cookies are small files that are stored in the user's computer. They are designed to hold the modest amount of data specific to the particular client and website that can be accessed either web server or client computer. Spam is unresolved email. Spyware is unwanted software that infiltrates the computing devices, is telling your sensitive information. There is firewall concept of firewall as well. Yes, that is firewall. Now I am going to read about firewall. Okay, attack attack surface is split into uh, firewall. Now I am going to read about firewall in a hard copy. Okay, 27. What is firewall? Firewall is a system that enforces a mm, security policy between secure internal network and an untrusted untrusted Networks such as Internet. Firewall is a security system intended to protect organization network against the external threats, such as hackers. Organization networks against hackers, external threat from outside networks. Organization places firewall at its connection to the external networks. Corporate line, valid web page request, invalid telnet request, valid FTP request. Telnet request, invalid telnet request. It blocks invalid telnet request, but it TCP what FTP request. It allows FTP request. File transport organization places firewall at its connection to external networks. A firewall partitions the internet into two regions, referred to informally as inside and outside. Thus, firewall isolates organizations' internal net from larger internet, allowing some packets to pass. Firewall partitions the internet into two regions, referred to informally as inside and outside. Firewall is a combination of hardware and software that isolates an organization's internal network from the internet, allowing a specific connection to pass and blocking others. Organizations employ firewalls for following reasons: to prevent intruders from interfering from the operation networks, denial of service attacks, SYNFIN attack, to prevent intruders from deleting, modifying, and storing within, to prevent intruders from obtaining security information, allow unauthorized inside networks access to sensitive information पहले एक्सेस गर्न रोक्छ, त्यसपछि सेन्सिटिभ इन्फर्मेसन गर्न रोक्छ, त्यसपछि डिओएस डिडिओएसहरू गर्न रोक्छ, अनि त्यसपछि डिलिट र मोडिफाई एक्सेस गरेपछि डिलिट मोडिफाई पनि गर्न रोक्छ यसले. Types of firewall. Firewall is usually classified as packet filter firewall and proxy based firewall, application level gateway firewall. Packet filter is a first generation firewall which is essentially a router that has been programmed to filter out first generation firewall. Essentially a router which is essentially a router to program to filter out certain IP addresses or TCP port number. Packet level firewall, packet filter firewall. Static examination of IP address and TCP port number, and then either deny and transaction or pass to the basis of information stored in their tables. Rabbit from your distinct plucked. Application level packet level firewall, packet filter file, packet filter application level firewall gateway application level. Desired application, the corresponding proxy code must be installed on gateway in order to manage the specific proxy code. Higher level control in traffic. Particular service. Computer virus is a software. Vital information resource under siege. Vital information resource under siege because they replicate. Which type of virus attach with exe file and resulting infected exe file which of the which type of virus attaches with exe file and resulting infected exe file attacks other exe files and infect stealth virus, memory resident virus, 9 boot sector virus, parasitic virus. There are the types of virus that attaches to the exe file and infects the other exe file is the type of parasitic virus. Exe file and other parasitic virus. Storage devices, hard drives, boot sector hard drives, and floppy disk. Stealth virus are the which of the term for cybersecurity attack that targets multiple interconnected devices simultaneously to create large-scale attack networks. That attacks that the attack that targets multiple interconnected devices, distributed denial of service attack. Botnet is zombie. Vulnerability of zero-day attack. Spear phishing. Which of the following is attack that in which user receives the unwanted amount of emails. Email unwanted email bomb stolen. Spoofing. It is an act of disguising communication from unknown source as being from known and trusted source. Disguising communication from an unknown source. Disguising communication from an unknown source to a trusted source. Spoof emails, phone calls, websites. Smurf attack. It is a form of DDoS attack that causes packet flood on a victim by exploiting the ICMP protocol, Internet Control Protocol, which is larger created using technical spoofing. That causes packet flood on victim by exploiting or abusing ICMP protocol Smurf attack. Ping program, Internet ping program is used to send flood of packets. Available. Source attached to this packet. Packets become the victim Small ICMP packet generated by the tool. So the following is the malicious software that executes and runs on instrument. Virus, spam, spyware, adware, virus is the correct choice. Knowing user, knowing the password of the user for hacking is good. Hacking, spamming is sneaking, spoofing. I think cyber is stuck in three. Spoofing. Sneaking means done without warning. Unsolicited electronic message sent for marketing purpose. I think spam. Dynamic packet filter firewall are fourth generation firewall that work at packet filter firewalls. Dynamic packet filter firewalls, fourth generation firewalls that work on this is not application layer there TCP and NEC TCP UDP, not a session layer, not an application layer. Dynamic TCP UDP for for generation firewall are called stateful firewalls. Connection oriented reliable transport protocol. Connection oriented, connectionless, unreliable transport protocol. Connection oriented reliable transport protocol. The information that gets transformed in encryption. Plain text ಅಥವಾ parallel text. I think plain text. Now this is completed. Network security. I think I have covered this one, and secondly I have covered this one. I have the topics I have not covered for the time is principle of cryptography, RSA algorithm, digital signature already covered, securing emails, TCP connections, securing TCP connections, neutral VPN. Okay. Principle of cryptography. Principle of cryptography. RS algorithm, securing email, securing TCP connections, SSL. Okay, network layer security VPN, partial private network, securing wireless LANs. Okay, let's learn from hard copy. The thing I have not yet the topic of is principle of cryptography. Now this one I will read through this. RS algorithms. Now I'll read through